how to use two accounts in one WhatsApp in iPhone. If you want to use two accounts in one WhatsApp in iPhone, basically all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all, if you opened up WhatsApp on your iPhone and then even if you went to account or so on, you can see there is no option to add account. So Android users have already gotten this update, but unfortunately for iPhone we still don't have this update. Now this could be mostly because maybe WhatsApp assumes that iPhone users only have one SIM slot, so they usually just use one number and they don't have any necessity for another number. This is just one of the reasons why they might be doing that. Or if you really want to use a second number that badly, since you can't do it from the WhatsApp app, what I recommend you do is you can actually use WhatsApp Business. So WhatsApp Business is also similar, just the only difference is that it is recommended for businesses, but you can still use it for your personal use by making your number private and stuff and only contacting the people that you really need to from the WhatsApp Business. So this is simply another way to get around it. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.